So welcome back to my channel, guys. So at last we have the new to printhead, replacement printhead, but I'm not convinced with this printhead. See the printhead itself, no, it doesn't have cover on the bottom, but I don't know, we'll see. So this is the printer and this is the printhead. Okay, so now I'm going to replace it. Okay, so just need to open the printer, the front cover. Okay, it will automatically eject the or place from the left side the printhead. So I need to unlock the lever, the white one, and then you can freely remove the printhead. So this time this is the original, which is defective also. Okay, and then I will remove all the cartridges. It's 951 and then 950 for the black. It's four color: cyan, yellow, magenta, and black. So now I'm going to put this in the other side, and then I will take the this said it's new. Okay, so I don't know where this printhead came from. It's just they take out this one from the old one and give it to us. I don't know. So now we test this one. Okay, actually I post the video, and this is now the printhead, new printhead running on this printer right now. Okay, so look at the old cartridges. It's like, you know, spilled all over the place or the area. So the printhead, new printer is initializing right now. I hope this one is okay, but I'm not sure. I'm not confident. They said this one is new, so we'll see. So it takes time for this one to what is it? Airplane. So this is the old one, and also I replace also the cartridges, since we are replacing a new printhead. So HP is very sensitive on cartridges, so it takes time for this one. Put this one in the box, set aside, hoping for the best. So it takes around how many minutes? So again, oh my god, this is what I'm talking about. So I have encountered an error for this new printhead. Okay, it's not normal. Usually if you have new printhead, it will after initialization, it will give you the, you know, the status of the printhead and the inks. But this time it's weird. It's like I'm using the old printhead. Again, it's an initialization. Okay, the good thing about this HP printers, especially in this kind of model, if it's very rare that the mother will get broken. Okay, most of the time the problem will be the printhead. Even the cartridges, it's very durable, but the printhead, I don't know. It's a part of the business, you know. Once the printhead reaches its maximum life, it will just dead. Whether it's you use the printer or not, it's just dead. So I have this error, like some problem with the other colors. Okay, so I need to run again the setup, replace the cartridges, but doesn't help this time. So I think I replace this one with Okay, so my problem starts again, and then the cartridge problem for magenta, yellow, and black. So it's not normal for the new cartridge, new printed, I'm sorry. So again, I need to take the printhead from the printer. I need to take it out and check and insert for this time. I just insert with replace with another ink, but it doesn't work, doesn't help. So it's disaster. Okay, so I wasted too many cartridges this time. Again, so place with another cartridges. Okay, so same problem. So I take out the print head this time. You see, after I wipe with the tissue, there should be 4 colors in it: yellow, magenta, cyan, and black. But this time, I think it's only 2 colors is coming out: magenta and yellow. So very unfortunate. I I was thinking that I can fix this printer now, but we need to return. I need to return this printhead back to the supplier, so because it doesn't work. It's defective. I don't know where they take this printhead. Maybe they are taking this one from the old printer and give it to us. Who knows? But before I saw this printhead, I know it's something bad about it. Okay, so I already make the basic troubleshooting about this printhead, but doesn't work right now. So I hope I can get the new printed replacement for this printer, and I hope I can fix it next time, because I think I wasted around few hours try to fix this printer, but fortunately it's not success. So see you in the next video. I think there is some continuation about this video also. It's bad. Damn, it's printhead.